Hello everyone, you're welcome back to Devon's Chess, and today I've come back with another interesting chess endgame puzzle. And in this puzzle, just as the previous one, it is white to move and mate black in 2 moves. So it is a mate in 2 puzzle. White wins this game. White has a queen and a knight, but black has 2 rooks. But we are saying there is a way white can play 2 moves to win this game. But I want you guys to first try to solve it by yourselves before we try to solve it together. So if you do not mind, pause the video, try to solve it, and then come back when you've found it. Good luck. Alright, so did you find that 2 moves that white has to play to mate black? Please let us know in the comment section. Don't mind whether what you found is wrong. It could be wrong, but having a very good variation that we have not talked about in the video. So please share with us, and don't forget to like the video and also subscribe. Let's grow this channel. Okay, so let's get into the puzzle. So if you thought about playing a knight move, let's try to see the knight moves. Capturing this rook, the rook captures back. You are definitely winning this game, but you're not going to win it in 2 moves, right? Because there's no way you're winning in the next move. So that's not the move we are looking for, because we just want to win this game in 2 moves. That's the puzzle. That's what the puzzle is all about. So what about if we try to play knight to h6? That doesn't yield us anything, because after black plays something like rook to a8, there's no way you're winning in the next move. If you try to check from here, black can still escape. So that's not the move we are looking for, because black can escape. Okay, what about e7? e7 as well doesn't help us, because after black plays here, there's no way you're winning in the next move. How are you going to do it? If you try to play, if you try to check with your queen, you're actually losing now, because black can actually pin your queen to your king, and there's no way you can move this queen. The only thing you have to do is to exchange, and when you exchange, black is ahead. If you have a rook, and if black has a rook and we have only a knight, black is ahead and black can win this game. So that's not the move we are looking for, because we want to win this game, right? So knight moves don't look like they are going to help us win this game, right? Because even if you capture here, exchange, we already saw the exchange. We are not going to win. If we exchange, we are going to end up with a draw or us losing, right? So let's try out the queen moves. Now queen moves, of course, if you capture here, we are losing, because after that our queen is gone and exchange leads to a draw. So that's not the move we are looking for, because we are not looking for a draw. Okay, so what about if we tried to check from h6? Now the problem is, when you try to check from h6, black is just going to move its rook to h7, and we are losing, because again this queen is pinned to the king and you can't move your queen. The only thing you have to do is to exchange, and when you exchange, black has a rook, you have a knight, so black is winning this game. So we don't want to do that, because we want to win the game. What about, someone could think of a waiting move by the queen, maybe queen c3. The idea is, if black moved its rook here, we could just win, right? But then black can see that, and black can decide not to move that rook. Black can actually decide to move the king here, and after black moves the king there, there's no way you're winning in the next move. Even if you try to go to h3, black has an escape route. Those are 2 moves without a win. So queen moves don't look like they are also going to help us, and that leaves us with only one piece, our king. Our king only has 1 move to play, because this whole rank is covered by the rooks. So this is the only move our king can play, and let's try to see if that leads us to a win. A waiting move by our king, h2. Does it lead us to win the game? If black moves this rook, let's say rook to a random piece like c8, we get to win by capturing the piece, right? If black moves the king, we get to mate from here, right? So black can't do anything to avoid the mate. So that's the solution for the puzzle. A waiting move by the king, as simple as it looks, it's the winning move for the position here. So let us know if you found the position, the move that wins us in 2 moves? Let us know in the comment section. Do not forget to like the video and also subscribe. Let's grow this channel. Until next day, have a good time.